Calgary's tech sector is booming, but there's a problem. Many aspiring IT professionals struggle to connect education with real career opportunities. With over 60,000 tech workers and a 78% growth rate in just 5 years, the demand is high, but employers aren't just hiring based on credentials anymore. Katil Arflot, Director of Infrastructure at Ironclad Tech, says, "The strongest IT professionals are the ones who understand how technology supports real business operations. Education is essential, but the programs that stand out are those that prepare people to work with real systems, real security concerns, and real accountability from day one." Calgary offers multiple ways to build in-demand IT skills. Technical and polytechnic programs give hands-on experience for roles like IT support, networking, and systems administration. Universities provide a deeper theoretical foundation for advanced technical or leadership roles. Community colleges and specialized tech schools offer targeted, job-ready skills for students and career changers. Flexible online programs let working professionals continue learning while applying skills in real time. IT roles range from support and help desk positions to systems and network administration, cybersecurity, cloud infrastructure, and IT leadership. Each role has different responsibilities, but all rely on applied skills, problem-solving, and familiarity with live environments. Choosing the right education path depends on the role you want, how quickly you want to enter the workforce, and whether hands-on experience is a priority. Programs that mirror real business environments tend to prepare graduates most effectively. To explore which IT path fits your goals and start building a career in Calgary's growing tech sector, read the full article on our website and add this episode to your playlist.